CleverTap is an integrated engagement and analytics platform built to solve retention. It has the power to meaningfully connect with customers by utilizing data in a holistic way to impact retention and LTV. This video will cover 4 foundational sections of the CleverTap platform, which are Analytics, Segments, Campaigns, and Journeys. Let's go through Analytics first. Analytics helps you identify meaningful trends and drop-off points, understand churn, and take action to improve retention. View the effectiveness of an ad spend. Access advanced analytics to gain even more insights. Click on Analytics in the main navigation. These are all the analytics capabilities offered by the CleverTap platform. Events tracks actions performed by the user in the app, such as view a product, watch a video, share an image, wishlist an item, or complete a purchase. With funnels, identify how users navigate your app and where they drop off before reaching a conversion step. For example, an e-commerce app can create a 3-step funnel to understand how many users are viewing a product, adding an item to the cart, and finally purchasing it. With cohorts, compare how different user groups behave over time. Analyze cohorts to identify which group of users return to the app to perform key actions such as watch a video, complete checkout. Cohorts are important to track retention and improve the lifetime value. Trends compare events over time to identify patterns to understand exactly how users are engaging with your app. Use pivots and flows to spot data trends and identify critical paths to conversion without a data scientist. For example, a media streaming app can use pivots to understand most watched videos by genre, while a fintech app can use flows to understand what a user did before uninstalling an app. Real Impact is a reporting dashboard that shows exactly how and by what extent users respond to marketing campaigns. Now that you have these insights, use segments to identify and save their user group. Click on the Segments tab in the main navigation. Use CleverTap segmentation tools to group users based on their past or real-time behavior in the app or information captured in the unified user profile, such as name, age, email, phone number. Click on Plus Segment to create a segment. Past Behavior segment creates user groups based on past history in the app. For example, users in New York who have added an item to the cart and didn't purchase in the last 2 days. You can also segment users based on any data collected in the unified user profile, including location, demographics, interests, etc. For example, a grocery delivery app can identify users who primarily shop on weekends. Next up are live user segments. Live user segments is the ability to create segments based on user actions in an app continuously and in real time. For example, an e-commerce app can qualify a user as soon as she creates an account and sends a welcome email. This is a single action segment. Selecting an action within the time segment will qualify a user as soon as he performs an action in the app and doesn't perform the following action within a certain time period. Custom list segments enable you to bring any list of users from any source, including third-party platforms and internal databases. Now engage in these user segments using campaigns. Campaigns let you define the key components of a marketing message, that is, selection of the messaging channel, the target user group, the send time, and content of the message. To create a campaign, click on Plus Campaign here. CleverTap offers messaging channels including mobile, web, email, SMS, and social to reach users contextually inside and outside of the app. Select the messaging channel here. Define when the campaign should be scheduled. Also, select the message type, which means if it should be sent on a date or multiple dates. Next, define who the message should be sent. Use segmentation tools explained earlier to create the user segment. While defining these elements of a campaign, Use multiple campaign optimization tools offered by the CleverTap platform to maximize its effectiveness. Use these tools to A/B test a message, send it at an optional time, or maximize the reach of the message. Write the content of the message in the What section. Do a quick review of the campaign and schedule a message. Here is a sample push notification campaign reminding users to complete the purchase. What's more, automate these campaigns across channels using journeys. Click Journeys in the main navigation. Journeys provide the ability to orchestrate a sequence of campaigns aligned to a specific goal. Compose campaigns that span any length of time and engage with the user as they perform specific actions to keep them engaged in the right way at the right time. For example, a media streaming app can create a journey to convert non-paying users into paid subscribers, or an e-commerce app can create a journey to reduce cart abandonment. Here is a sample journey of the second example. Compose campaign sequences across all channels, including push, SMS, email, in-app messages, Google Ads, and more. Nudge users to take an action such as sign up, add an item to cart, or complete purchase. Set up to 3 goals based on users' behavior in the app. View campaign statistics in real time to see how users are flowing through each step. Here are campaign statistics for another journey. With Node Stats, get metrics of each step of the journey. That is, how many users entered or exited this step, and how many met the goal. With Journey Stats, find out the effectiveness of the journey. That is, the number of users who entered the journey and met the goal. To learn more about these features or other advanced features offered within the CleverTap platform, watch more videos.